Ishmael Kukiti has been declared the winner of the Paripao Ward by-election, securing the Provincial Assembly seat after a closely contested race involving 5 candidates and a vote count that concluded late yesterday. Sharon now with more.
Ishmael Kukiti has won the Paripao Ward Provincial Assembly seat after counting for the Paripao Ward by-elections concluded yesterday. 5 candidates contested in the Paripao Ward by-election. Counting of ballot papers started late afternoon yesterday following the SIBC team verifying the ballot papers from the 7 polling stations in Paripao Ward through the ballot paper verification process. Speaking to local media after declaring the MPA-elect Paripao Ward returning officer Albert Molly said the counting of the ballot papers followed and met the electoral counting guidelines.
Counting process, let me start with the verification. So at about 10:30 this morning, we will start my verification, verify my 7 boxes. We have 7 polling stations, that means 7 boxes now. We will do verification. And by 2 o'clock, we will complete now verification. And have to this afternoon, we will start with the batching. And we will get 2 batch, first batch, and 3 polling station inside, and the second batch, and 4 fala. So we will start counting the first batch, which is 3 polling station. Then we will complete almost 5 o'clock this afternoon. And we will start away with the second batch with 4 polling station, and we just conclude the counting after 9 and just declare him the winner out of the 5 candidates. Ishmael Kukiti, him now winning this by-election. Counting agent, every candidate are available and witness him, as well the observers and officials from the electoral come and look him how now process where prescribed law manual. So counting officials truly follow now the process where required inside the manual, from the verification to the final declaration of the result.
Mr. Molly also thanked voters in the ward for adhering to the electoral process during the by-election.
I would like to acknowledge the people of Paripao. During that day, a very peaceful election. People happy, look forward for their new leaders. I would like to thank the communities and surrounding every polling station here, since that we go visit the polling station inside of Paripao. Very respectful and no any crime, zero crime experience in that day. People happy and look forward for their new elected. And lastly, we like to thank him the chief and the people, the women and the elders who come and give him rights for who represent him in this Provincial Assembly.
For SIBC TV, I'm Sharon Nanao.